Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring one of Seville's most iconic landmarks, the Setas de Sevilla, also known as Metropol Parasol. Some tourists affectionately refer to it as the Waffle due to its unique shape. Join me as we walk through this modern architectural marvel and uncover its fascinating history, design, and visitor experiences. Setas de Sevilla, also known as the Metropol Parasol, is a striking wooden structure located in the heart of Seville, Spain. It is one of the city's most modern and iconic landmarks, offering visitors a unique blend of contemporary architecture and historical ambience. Designed by the German architect Jürgen Mayer, this remarkable structure was completed in 2011 and has since become a popular tourist attraction. It is situated in the Line Carnaccian Square, a bustling area that has been revitalized by this impressive addition. The Setas de Sevilla consists of 6 parasols in the form of giant mushrooms, making it a distinctive sight in Seville's skyline. Setas de Sevilla is renowned for its distinctive mushroom-like shape, which has affectionately earned it the nickname the Mushrooms of the Incarnation. The structure spans approximately 150 by 70 meters and rises to a height of 26 meters, making it one of the largest wooden structures in the world. The parasol is constructed primarily from bonded timber with a polyurethane coating, designed to withstand the elements while maintaining its striking appearance. Its undulating forms and organic curves create a dynamic interplay of light and shadow, captivating visitors from every angle. The structure is made primarily of wood, featuring a lattice design that allows sunlight to filter through, creating intricate patterns on the ground below. This innovative use of wood and the sheer scale of the parasols make it a marvel of modern engineering. Visitors can enjoy stunning panoramic views of Seville from the walkway located on top of the structure, which offers a 360-degree perspective of the city. The walkway, known as the Mirador, is accessible via an elevator and provides an excellent opportunity to capture breathtaking photos of Seville's historic and contemporary vistas. Aside from the visual appeal and architectural significance, Setas de Sevilla also houses a variety of attractions within its structure. The underground level, known as the Antiquarium, is an archaeological museum showcasing Roman and Moorish remains discovered during the construction of the Metropol Parasol. This museum provides a fascinating glimpse into Seville's rich and diverse history, making it an essential stop for history enthusiasts. Additionally, the ground level features a vibrant marketplace, where visitors can explore local crafts, foods, and other products, adding a cultural and culinary dimension to their visit. Setas de Sevilla is not just a daytime attraction, it transforms into a lively hub of activity in the evenings. The structure is beautifully illuminated at night, creating a magical atmosphere that draws both locals and tourists. The surrounding area often hosts various events, including concerts, exhibitions, and festivals, making it a dynamic and ever-changing space. The on-site restaurants and bars offer a perfect spot to unwind and enjoy the views while sampling delicious Spanish cuisine and beverages. Ascending to the upper levels, visitors can stroll along elevated walkways and terraces that offer breathtaking panoramic views of Seville's skyline, blending historical and modern sights. The central plaza beneath the parasol is a vibrant space used for public events, markets, and concerts, adding to the area's lively atmosphere. For those looking to relax, there are several restaurants and cafes integrated into the structure, offering a unique dining experience with stunning views of the city.
Pues eso es lo que le pasó a ese grupo.
The journey of Setas de Sevilla from conception to completion was not without its controversies. Initially, the project faced significant budgetary issues, with costs soaring from an estimated 50 million euros to nearly 100 million euros by the time it was finished. Public opinion was sharply divided. While many praised the innovative design and its potential to revitalize the area, others were critical, questioning whether such a modern structure fit within Seville's historic landscape. Additionally, the construction process encountered numerous technical challenges, particularly with the innovative use of wood, leading to delays and further escalating costs.
L'albero della vita. Ma direi che sarà confuso. Potrebbe anche essere. Potrebbe anche essere.
Setas de Sevilla has become a must-see attraction, drawing visitors from around the globe. Reviews are generally positive, with many tourists expressing admiration for its bold design and the spectacular views it offers. Visitors often highlight the contrast between the modern parasol and Seville's traditional architecture, appreciating how it encapsulates the city's dynamic character. In summary, Setas de Sevilla, or Metropol Parasol, stands as a symbol of Seville's blend of tradition and modernity, from its rich history and innovative design to the lively public spaces it creates. This landmark offers a unique experience that captures the essence of the city's evolving identity. I hope this tour has inspired you to explore Setas de Sevilla for yourself and experience its architectural brilliance firsthand. For tourists planning to visit Seville, the Setas de Sevilla is a must-see destination that offers a unique blend of contemporary architecture, historical insights, and vibrant cultural experiences. Its central location makes it easily accessible and a convenient starting point for exploring the rest of the city. Whether you are interested in architecture, history, or simply looking for a picturesque spot to enjoy the beauty of Seville, the Metropol Parasol promises an unforgettable experience. If you enjoyed this walking tour, please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos exploring fascinating locations around the world. Don't forget to share your own experiences and thoughts about Setas de Sevilla in the comments below. Stay tuned for our next adventure.